Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, a psychologist has set up an experiment to study the tendency of a person to select the first item when presented with a whole series. And in this experiment, we have 300 people who are presented with 5 pictures in a random order and asked to choose the most appealing picture. Of the first 150 participants, 36 chose the first picture, and of the rest, P chose the first picture. P is some value, number of participants. And we're told that more than 20% of all participants chose the first picture. So the total who chose the first is greater than 20% of the total. So everybody who chose the first, which we know is 36 for the first half plus P for the second half. So between both of the sets of the first 150 and the second 150, we know a total of 36 plus P chose the first picture. We know this is greater than 20% of the total, which is 300 people, so 20% of 300. So 36 plus P is greater than, what is 20%? 20%, right up here. Well, percent is just a number out of 100, so this is 20 out of 100, which is 0.2. And so we have 0.2 of 300, so 0.2 times 300. And this is very close to one of our answers. If we just flip these around, right? 36 plus P is the same as P plus 36. And this is greater than 0.2. And then we can put in the 0 there. It's not necessary, but obviously you can add infinite zeros, right? 0.2 is the same as 0.2000000, right? So 0.20 times 300. And the only reason I did this step is because now it looks exactly like D, so there's no confusion, and D is your final answer. Don't have to worry about this. P is less than or equal to 150 because out of 150 participants, obviously 160 of them can't choose the first picture because there isn't 160 of them. But we got down to this equation is the only one out of these 4 that matches this, so D is going to be your final answer, even if you don't really pay attention to that for the entire solving of the problem. But D is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.